Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels so good to have you here. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that your bell notification is turned on so you are notified as soon as I upload a new video. I hope you all are doing wonderful today and had a great day. So today I have loads and loads of cleaning motivation packed for you all guys, and hope you will enjoy and get motivated to tackle your living room and bathroom. So grab your cup of tea and let's get started.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
So today I'm starting in the living room area and I'm using Magni carpet and upholstery cleaner to get rid of food stains on my couch.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So I recently started night cleaning routine and it has changed this house, and I prefer cleaning the couch at night because I realize cleaning the seats during the day they will be wet and I have nowhere to sit, but when I clean them at night in the morning I find them clean and dry and we have somewhere to sit.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Lois Wamaitha. I do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and weight loss. If you like such kind of content, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Also, I'll be using a mixture of white vinegar and water to wipe all the electronics and the table. I love this mixture because it keeps away dust from my electronics, and the shining effect it always leaves on my table and mirrors. So this is a reminder, guys, to go buy yourself a 5 liter of vinegar. It feels so good to wake up to a clean and organized home in the morning. You'll be at peace and your mind will be relaxed. So over to my bathroom, it badly needed some love, and I'll be using Serrazzo tile cleaner on the tiles and Elicept on the sink and the toilet bowl. So to use the Serrazzo tile cleaner, you put just a little on the water and then use a brush to scrub in between the grout. So after scrubbing, you use a sponge to scrub the top of the tile. So guys, did you know that you can use the toilet cleaner to clean your sink? Let me know down below in the comment section. And this gives you the best result. You can see how sparkling white my sink is. So after using the Serrazzo tile cleaner, I will scrub again the second time using the Vim and a sponge. I will do the same on the floors, but make sure you rinse it out well so that you are not left with the white residue of Vim. It feels so good to wake up to a clean bathroom in the morning, and that's all I had today. If you have come this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Remember to subscribe and like. See you in my next video. Bye.